Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
Okay. All right, so here we go. We're now on to our unboxing segment, and I have 5. I have one package. I have one package, 5 items. So here we go. Just show you the box. One package, 5 items. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness, I was supposed to have my hand sanitizer and the gloves. Okay, so based on what we learned the last time about contamination, where to use a glove when we are on, where to use gloves when we're unboxing, right? And or wash your hands when you're done, when you're through. So, because you don't know what's on the inside. You don't really know what's on the inside, huh? Right? Right. Hang on here. Hang on here. Okay. We're doing this, and then we have a tip at the end. Let's do this. And I won't get hurt with a knife because I always use a dull knife because I'm so scared of being cut. I don't like the thought of being cut by a knife. That's one of the reasons I don't get in fights, because I don't like the thought of people getting hit and blood and all of those things. I pray that I never cause someone's blood to be drawn, you know? That's something that I'm very intentional about, not causing harm to somebody else. Woohoo! Especially to the extent that blood is drawn, you know? Okay, so I love that. Oh, look at that. All right, so we're gonna take everything out. Everything out. And remember, always remove your personal information before you dump the box or the package, right? All right. So, these are the things we have today. So let's start with, all right. Okay. So this is it. Yeah. All right. Hey. Oh, dear. It's a little challenging to open it tight because it's well protected. It's glass. Here we go. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. There it is. Yeah. So. Okay. I love the sound of that. I'm excited. This gives me such excitement. The unboxing part, not the shopping necessarily, but the unboxing part. I just love to. Ooh, here they are. It took me. I've been searching for black plates with red in black on the outside, red on the inside for a long time, and one that I actually liked and was within the budget that I had. Oh, and finally, I found a multicolored set. Perfect. Absolutely. Oh, to go with my cups. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Perfect size. Perfect size. Take your time putting them down, girl. Black. I love it. I got all of the samples I wanted. All of the different colors I wanted. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh, I love it. I'm looking for the red one, the red one, the red one. Where's the red one? Ah, there you go. This is what inspired the entire purchase. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is the dream come true for me. Being able to do this as a kid growing up, I had such dreams like one day I'm gonna get the things that I like, not just the things, not just get what I have to get, but that which I actually like, that get it the way I like it, weird as it is. Because I was told I was so weird growing up. Because I just liked what I liked, and I prayed for the day when I could actually just get get the things I actually like, and not just what I had to settle for. So these things mean a lot to me because of that. Let's be careful with this. And now this is a hat. Oh my gosh, let's go for the hat. So you can see the prices and everything that's there. Ooh. I don't know why. I just love to cover my hair. I don't know why. Not at home, but once I'm going anywhere or I'm having company, I'm going out or I'm going in public, I just love to have my hair covered. It's just a thing. I don't know what it is. It's funny because when I used to work and I couldn't tie my hair, I just didn't feel like myself. And I remember when I tied my hair and go to work, it was not acceptable. And that's one of the reasons I don't like working out, because I don't know why. I don't know what the meaning of it. I should probably check now that I'm talking about it out loud, but I just feel more myself with something with my hair tied when I'm out or in public. In my home, I just want my natural hair to be itself because I want it to be. I love touching it, but yeah, I love hat caps and stuff. So, hello, hello. I have this on, so yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Now this is purple shades of lipstick. That's what this is. Oh, sorry. So, yeah. Mowing the lawn. That's what that's what I was trying to say. Yeah, mowing the lawn. Yeah, here we go. And I have another set that I want to get because I need some colors up in here. Ooh, there we go. And you'll see when I wear it. Ah, see that? Can't see, some of them go too far. I can't see it properly, it's too far away. Yeah. And this is my toothpaste. It's good. I really like using this toothpaste. Knobs. No BS. No BS. That's what it's called. It's wrapped. All right, great. So that's what it is. And that's what it looks like. All right. That's some facts about it. Yeah, so that's what I just got. It's still wrapped, and the tape to protect it is still wrapped. This one now, yeah. Yeah. And there are how many of them? One, two, three. Oops, three of them. And what is? Oh, this to clean it. It's so heavy because it's three of them. So this is the cleaner, and these are the glasses. And I'm gonna put one on. So let's open. This is. I love green. Green is like my favorite color. Earth green, kind of like army green. Earth, real earthy, yeah, and browns and dark reds and earth colors. I love earth colors. I'm a very earthy kind of girl. My dad was a Rasta man. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Let's see if how it feels. So I'm hoping I got the right one. Oh wow, I chose 0, but it still feels like okay. Hello. There's a little tape on it right here. All right, let's give it a minute. Let's see. I don't know if I can keep it on, but yeah. This one is black. This one is we're not gonna go through them. That's it. Oh, I can't keep it on because this little spot right here is bugging me. I can't keep it on. I'm so sorry for the noise outside, but let's hurry and wrap this up. All right, so these are the things I got today. Really nice. And it's very strong. See? Yeah. Here's our tip for today in this unboxing solutions with me. Unbox smart, not sloppy. I hope I do that. I'm kind of forced to do that because I'm filming it, right? Yeah, gloves optional, caution required. See, I used the glove when I was unboxing. Number 1, unbox on a clean surface. Number 2, wash hands after handling. Number 3, keep packages away from your tech stuff, right? So that's a tip. Those are tips for today's unboxing solutions with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.